Hello all, welcome to the Minute. Today,
Let us know how to use
the measures of central tendency in animal disease epidemiology. So, what are these measures? Measures of central tendency summarize a dataset by identifying a single central value that represents the entire dataset. And the major measures are mean, median and mode. Let's see the mean. It is calculated by summing all observed values and dividing by the number of observations. When to use? If the data is normally distributed without extreme outliers, that is, extreme values, the mean provides a good central value. For example, suppose we analyzed E. coli prevalence by PCR from 20 milk samples. The mean would be the average of all these values. In this example, we find that, on average, E. coli contamination in milk samples is 18.4%. Similarly, the median is the middle value, when data is arranged in ascending order. And it's used if the data is skewed, not normal, or has outliers. In our data, when the prevalences are arranged in ascending order, the median is found to be 18%. This shows that half of the samples have prevalence below 18% and half have higher prevalence. Median has to be used if you have very low prevalences and very high values, instead of close values. Finally, the mode is the most frequently occurring value in a dataset. If data is categorical or has repeating values, mode helps identify common trends. Hence, in our data, we have 5 prevalences that occurred twice. So, this suggests that farms commonly report E. coli prevalence at these levels. Coming to choosing the right measure. Taking the example in our study. If we want an overall estimate of E. coli prevalence, we use the mean. If some farms have extremely high or low prevalence, we use the median. If we want to know the most commonly detected prevalence level, we use the mode. Finally, in our research, we use mean for an overall summary, median for skewed distributions, and mode for identifying common trends. By applying these measures effectively, we gain a clearer understanding of any patterns in our data, aiding in better control strategies.